Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today we're diving into the aggressive street fighter legend, the Kawasaki Z1000. Known for its sharp styling and raw performance, this bike has built a strong reputation among thrill seekers. Design and styling. The Kawasaki Z1000 stands out with its Sugomi design language, a bold, muscular look that gives it a predatory stance. From the sharp LED headlights to the sculpted fuel tank and minimal bodywork, every detail screams aggression and power. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Z1000 is a 1043 cubic centimeters inline-four engine that delivers explosive power and instant throttle response. The bike is tuned for strong mid-range performance, making it perfect for quick overtakes and exhilarating city rides as well as highway runs. Ride and handling. The Z1000 offers a balanced riding experience with a strong chassis and responsive suspension. Its upright riding position adds comfort while maintaining control, and the wide handlebars give riders confidence in corners and tight situations. Features and technology. While the Z1000 focuses more on raw riding experience than excessive electronics, it still comes equipped with essentials like ABS, traction control, in newer variants, and a digital instrument cluster that provides all necessary information at a glance. Comfort and practicality. Despite being a performance-oriented naked bike, the Z1000 offers decent comfort for short to medium rides. However, long-distance touring might feel tiring due to wind exposure and a slightly firm seat. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Z1000 is a perfect blend of aggressive design, thrilling performance, and street presence. If you're looking for a powerful naked bike that delivers pure riding excitement, the Z1000 is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned to King Bike for more amazing bike reviews.